I'm Eric Randolph, the Chief Operating Officer of Ag Express Electronics. I've been with Ag Express for close to 22 years. Started as an electronics technician, working on the bench, and just worked my way through the company, and have been blessed so far to help grow it along with me. I've grown up here, essentially. What we're looking at is our expanded 15,000 square foot addition for our repair and manufacturing division. We have 3 manufacturing locations. One's here in Des Moines, one is in Grand Island, Nebraska, and one is in Sulphur Springs, Indiana. And then we have a production volume location that's based out of Warren, Indiana. Here in Des Moines, we've expanded. We've been in this location since 1994, and over the years we've been through a lot of expansions as our business has grown. Here in the last few years, our business has really grown. We've gone from 55 employees in the entire company to just about 200 today. So in this building, we have close to 65 employees. And up until a year ago, we were all in a 12,000 square foot facility and working on top of each other. So we expanded to take advantage of all the new business opportunities that have come in from our OEM customers, our customers outside of agriculture, and our expanded offering within agriculture. We also have 2 repair centers in this facility. One is for one particular OEM, another is for general repairs. We also handle some remanufacturing and electronics sourcing through this location. And we also have our repair, research, and development facility in this location as well. That includes some ball grid array, BGA, it's technology, rework stations, some X-ray equipment, some on-site engineering technicians that help us fight the fight against obsolescence in electronics. And so far we're winning. We want to keep winning, so we're going to expand that department even more. So some key takeaways is that we've added more labor. We have more of an impact to the local economy. We are always looking to hire new people who want to grow with our company. We've added some technology in our wire harness manufacturing that allows us to probably double our output volume. We've added a lot more repair square footage. It's just the fish had grown as large as the aquarium was going to let us grow, so we built a whole new aquarium so the fish can keep growing. That's the most exciting part, is we're going to continue to grow, and hopefully we're going to add another 30,000 square feet out the back here in a few years. The doubling capacity and allow room for even more growth has been huge for us, and it's something that we've really been looking forward to. And to be able to move in is it's great. I mean, everybody's in a nice, well-lit area, and we were working out of concrete warehouse before, so it's definitely an improvement for everybody. Our capabilities expand into just about every industry. Electronics don't change just because of the box that they're in. So we're always looking for new opportunities, new electronics that we can repair. There's opportunities within the ag sector that haven't even been invented yet that we want to make sure that we're here to help repair those once they've been purchased. So that's the goal, and I think we're going to achieve that goal with the start of that is this new facility here.